So a few weeks ago, I uploaded a video of how I built this feature wall. And some of the keen observers on the channel may have noticed a big piece of audio video equipment that could definitely not fit into this wall. And that was my receiver. So I did find another spot in the room to have the receiver, but obviously it's not right in front or underneath the cabinet like it used to be. Where I've put it is actually inside an antique piece I have that is an old Brantford icebox. So it fit perfectly, and I love the fact that it can be hidden away. I also mentioned in that video that in the future I was going to show you some of the smart home functions of this wall in this room and how I use everything together. And today is that video. So once I had a spot for my receiver, the next part was how am I going to control it when it's inside of a closed cabinet? And I want to give a huge thank you out to SofaBaton, who sent me the ultimate solution to this problem. This video is by no means sponsored whatsoever. They did happen to send me the remote free of charge, which is awesome. I wanted to take you through this remote and how it functions and makes everything just so much easier. So the first thing about the remote control is it's activity based. So basically what that means is if you're going to use your receiver and your TV and the Fire Stick all at the same time, that usually meant that you had to have 3 different remotes. One remote to turn on the TV, another remote for the AV receiver, and a remote for the Fire Stick. Then you'd have to control the volume of the receiver. You would pick up the receiver remote. You want to control the Fire Stick, you pick up the Fire Stick remote. So SofaBaton solves this because this is a universal remote and all of the functions are loaded inside the remote once you program it. So programming is pretty easy. There's an app that you can download on your iPhone or your Android. You connect to the hub. Once you're connected to the hub, you tell it what devices you have. It downloads the codes for those devices and puts it inside the hub. If you don't know what your model number is, there's also a really cool code search feature that just searches by the most popular codes. And the last thing, which I thought was super cool, let me just grab these for you. So as you can see in the build, I have the fireplace, which is this weird looking no-name remote control. The fireplace came from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to it. And then I put up some picture lights, which also have this really cool remote control. So there's like not even a brand on the picture lights whatsoever. So now what do? Well, the SofaBaton remote can actually learn the IR codes from this remote and program them into this remote. So now, when I have an activity like listen to music, when I press one button on the remote control, it turns on my lights, turns on the fireplace, turns on the television, turns on the AV receiver, and now I'm ready to control everything. When I push the volume on this, it's controlling the volume of the AV receiver. And if I just want to navigate using the navigation button, it's going to control the Fire Stick or the TV or whatever activity I have chosen at the time. So that is an amazing, cool feature. What I love the most about this is the fact that you don't need to have your equipment in front of you. You don't need line of sight to it. You don't need to look at it. You can kind of bury it away and have whole home control with just one remote. So this is not the only piece of the SofaBaton. It also comes with a hub. And with that hub, you get some IR extenders, which are on wires. So to give you an example, when you saw me build this wall, you noticed I had a cutout in the back. So I actually have some equipment back there, but nothing that really needs to be controlled. But if I did want to, I could run one of those wires up inside the wall up to that spot, and it would control everything that's in behind the TV. So it really gives you a lot of endless options on what you can do with your builds. So I absolutely love this product. Again, not a sponsored video whatsoever. They just sent it to me for free, but I would highly recommend it. I will leave a link in the description below. I think it's on Amazon Canada and Amazon USA. I'm not sure about the UK to my friends over there or Australia, but I'll put a link to as many of the descriptions as I can find for it, or direct to their website as well. They didn't even really give me a code or anything, or because it's not a sponsored video. They just sent it to me because they knew I needed to solve problems. So that's it. If you're looking for a solution to a problem where you have to hide some of your equipment, SofaBaton is definitely the answer for you. Okay, so one of my next projects is to see if I can build a sofa table for behind these sofas cheaper than a sofa table on Amazon. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure you head down below, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, smash that like button. And until next time, take it easy out there.